Hi everyone, this is Juicy and today I'm gonna teach you how to really cook pasta. The tools you need today are a 10-cup saucepan or 2.5 liters and its lid, and a strainer or colander, a wooden spoon, and you'll need some salt and your favorite pasta. Favorite pasta brand right now is Garofalo. It's just really good pasta. Like, you can really taste the quality of the ingredients when it's cooked, and with any sauce that I've made it's always been a hit with all my friends. It just tastes amazing. To start by filling up your pot of water, I'm only gonna cook a quarter pack of the pasta, so I just put 8 cups of water, and now I'm gonna put it on high and I am gonna cover it until I see it boiling. So now that the water is boiling, you want to put in half a teaspoon of salt. Before you put your pasta in, you always want to check what the recommended cooking time is. As you can see, this one is 9 minutes. Now I'm going to put my pasta in. Then you're going to stir. And then you're going to set a timer. Alexa, 9-minute timer. You're going to want to stir your pasta every minute or so, just so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. When you use the recommended cooking time for the pasta, it always comes out perfect. Now that the pasta is ready, I'm just going to drain it. Ooh. Then you want to shake it a little bit to get out the remaining pasta water. And then I just usually put it back in the same pot and add my favorite sauce to it. Perfectly al dente. I hope you all enjoyed the video and may it lead you to cooking lots of amazing, delicious pasta dishes. And follow me if you want to learn to cook more Italian food, as I will be posting many more videos in the coming future. Ciao!